Hello and welcome to a new episode. Today I will show you how to configure the shipping for subscription items in WooCommerce. Let's dive in. Which plugins do you need? First, you need a shipping method plugin, and one of the best options available is flexible shipping. This plugin gives you the flexibility to set up various shipping options based on weight, price, and many other parameters. Second, you'll need a subscription plugin, and WooCommerce Subscriptions is one of the most popular choices. It allows you to sell subscription-based products, letting customers make recurring payments for physical products or services. We are compatible with this plugin. Third, if you need to separate subscription items from one-time purchase items, the Shipping Packages plugin will be incredibly useful. This plugin allows you to split your order into separate packages, which can be essential for handling subscriptions and one-time purchases differently. I recently made a video about shipping packages, and I highly recommend checking it out for more details on how it works. How to configure a shipping method for subscriptions. Here's how you can configure flexible shipping as an example. First step, install the plugin. You may choose between the Pro and free version. After installation, activate the plugin to begin setting up your shipping options. Second step, configure shipping zones. Go to WooCommerce Settings, Shipping and add your shipping zones. Shipping zones define where you can deliver your products, such as countries or regions. Once your zones are set up, you can assign shipping methods to each zone. Third step, add flexible shipping method. Within each shipping zone, add the flexible shipping method. You can customize the shipping rules based on many parameters related to the product, such as weight, quantity, and other factors, which gives you complete control over your shipping charges for subscription products. This is especially useful if you want to offer different rates based on the recurring character of the product. Fourth step, set up subscription plugin. Make the configuration according to the plugin creator's recommendations. And that's it. You may try your configuration. Usage example. Imagine you have a subscription product that requires separate shipping for each subscription cycle. As I mentioned earlier in the video, shipping packages can be very helpful in configuring subscription-based shipping. This is the moment when we can make use of it. All you need to do is create two package splitting options in shipping packages. One for subscription items, the other for one-time purchase items. As a result, in the cart, the order is split into separate shipping methods, allowing you to keep everything organized and ensure that each product is shipped according to its type. This way, you can efficiently manage both subscription and one-time purchase items, providing a better experience for your customers. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you in the next episode.